ingredients required. Paneer 1 cup, maida half cup, 1/4 cup of corn flour, half cup of onions finely chopped, 1 cup of bell peppers chopped, 4 dried red chilies, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of coriander, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, oil for deep fry, chili powder 1 tablespoon, salt 1 tablespoon. To a bowl, add maida, corn flour, salt, add water and mix it well. Form into a batter. Now add the paneer pieces to the batter. In a pan, heat the oil and now add the paneer pieces to the oil. Fry them until they are golden brown in color. Now to the pan add oil and add the garlic. Ginger, red chilies, onions, saute them. Now add green chilies, bell pepper, toss them well. Up to 5 minutes until the bell peppers are properly cooked. Now add the chili sauce, tomato sauce, chili powder, salt, saute them. Now to 1 tablespoon of corn flour, add water and make it into a paste. Now add this to the mix. Stir it together. Adjust the consistency by adding some water. Now toss the paneer pieces into the sauce. Stir them well together until the sauce incorporates into the paneer and it's ready to serve.